present here. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the International Day of Yoga, jointly organized by NSS Unit, Nitte Deemed to be University, K.S. Hegde Medical Academy, and Nitte Allied Health Sciences. Yoga is not just about the body. It is about the harmony between mind and soul. Let us begin this vibrant morning with a prayer to invoke peace and harmony.
Sharanu ninage sharanu Vinayaka, Sharanu ninage sharanu Vinayaka, Vinayaka Vidyadayaka Deva, Vinayaka Vidyadayaka Deva, Sharanu ninage sharanu Vinayaka, Sharanu ninage sharanu. Pasankusadara Mushikavahara Sarpanangritane Gajanana, Pasankusadara Mushikavahara Sarpanangritane Gajanana, Adipusita Neenu Vedavandita Neenu, Adipusita Neenu Vedavandita Neenu, Modaga Priya Neenu Ganayaka, Sharanu ninage sharanu Vinayaka, Sharanu ninage sharanu.
Mr. Shashikumar Shetty, sir, NSS Coordinator, Nitte Deemed to be University, to deliver the welcome address.
A very good morning to each one of you, respected dignitaries on the dais, and all my dear students. International Day of Yoga was declared by the United Nations in 2014 after a proposal by the Indian Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. He emphasized that yoga is a gift of ancient Indian tradition that promotes harmony between body and mind. Since then, 21st June is declared across the global as a reminder of the importance of the healthy living and holistic well-being. This year's International Day of Yoga focus on yoga for self and society, encouraging us to take care of ourselves while contributing to the harmony of our communities. With this note, it's my privilege and honor to welcome today's chief guest, Shivram Rai, who is a yoga practitioner and yoga therapist, who had done a BSc in Biology, graduate from St. Aloysius College, Mangalore in the year of 1970 and joined Vijaya Bank. Retired after 38 years of service as an Assistant General Manager. Done diploma in Advanced Yoga course at Tamil Sangam Yoga School at Bangalore in the year of 1989 and yoga practitioner since then. Joined University College Mangalore in the year of 2015 and 16 for PG Diploma course in Yogic Science and Yoga Therapy, and passed out with the first class at the age of 66. Attended International Yoga Teachers Training and International Yoga Therapy Workshop conducted by the Mangalore University and Wangwang Digital University, South Korea. Conducting free yoga classes at Lion Seva Mandir Malikatta since 2017 as a service to the society and imparted yoga skills, 100 of yoga aspirants. With this note, thank you very much for accepting our invitation and gracing our occasion. It's my privilege to welcome today's presiding person, Dr. Rajendra Holla, as a professor and head of the Department of Pharmacology. I welcome you, sir. It's my privilege to welcome Professor Dr. Sandeep Rai, the Dean of K.S. Hegde Medical Academy. I welcome you, sir. It's my honor to welcome Professor Dr. Jayaprakash Shetty, the Dean of Nitte Institute of Allied Health Science. I welcome you, sir. I also welcome Dr. Sukanya Shetty, the Vice Dean of KS Agade Medical Academy. Welcome, ma'am. I welcome Dr. Kishan Prasad, MU Coordinator of the KS Agade Medical Academy, who is conducting the yoga session past 7 days. Also welcome our physical directors, Dr. Karunakar Shetty, who always will be there during our yoga session. I welcome Vidyadhar and Hema, physical directors of Nitte DEAMED University. It's my privilege to welcome all the trainers, instructors of the yoga session who are doing last 7 days. I welcome each one of you. And also welcome the media person and the university photographer Ramchandra for capturing all the movement at the International Day of Yoga. And at the last, I welcome each students from the KS Agade Medical Academy and as well as the Nitte Institute of Allied Health Science and all the faculties. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We now proceed with the lamp lighting ceremony. I request our chief guests and esteemed deans and coordinators to kindly come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony. Of dedicated yoga trainers guiding us with patience and passion. As a token of appreciation for their time, effort and commitment, we now move on to prize distribution ceremony to honor their contribution. I invite Dr. Krishna Prasad sir, MEO Coordinator Shema, to announce the list of trainers.
Good morning. We have organized this Yoga Day program since 12 June. So during this process, many people have assisted us in facilitating or conducting this yoga program. I'll be calling out the list of facilitators. Those who are there, you can come here and collect the small token of appreciation from our side and the certificate. We are having Dr. Anusha Rashmi and dignitaries on the dais to hand over the memento. Sri Sharad. Sri Sharad. Sri Sharad. Sri Sharad. I think other facilitators I am not seeing. I will be, for the information to the dignitaries, I will be calling out Dr. Arun Tejas. He is from Nitte Care of Integrative Medicine and Research, and Dr. Abhijna Rai. She is also from Nitte Care of Integrative Medicine and Research, and Mr. Vishnu CP. He is a yoga therapist working at hospital. Dr. Prerana Hegde, Senior Dietitian Head, Justice KS Hegde Charitable Hospital, and Sri Vidya, so she is Assistant Professor and Student Counselor at Shema. And we have also called many rapporteurs so that they'll be giving the report of what is going on, and we requested them to give the rapporteur report. I think I'm not seeing any one of the rapporteurs. I'll be calling out the list. Miss Rashmita, she is lecturer of Department of Respiratory Therapy. Mr. Omkar, Omkar from Department of Medical Imaging Technology, renal dialysis technology. I am identifying the facilitator, Dr. Abhijna Rai. We can collect the certificate. Oh no, yoga. Okay. Vishnu CP. He's a yoga therapist. Other rapporteurs include Mrs. Suma Ashok, Dr. Munna, Dr. Aishwarya, Dr. Megha, Dr. Priya, Dr. Kiran Rajiv, Dr. Arya and Dr. Abhishek. So they will be handed over the certificate and memento to their place. Thank you all.
It is now time to hear from someone who has dedicated his life to promoting the healing power of yoga. I invite Mr. Shivaram Rai sir, yoga practitioner and therapist from Bangalore, to address us.
Good morning. How are you? I heard you all are going yoga training since last 1 week. How is the Josh? All are smiling. Smiling means it's really good. Be happy. Smiling and happy removes the stress that's required every day. I want to see smile on all your faces. Dr. Sandeep Rai, Dean Chairman, Professor Dr. Jayaprakash Shetty, Mr. Shachikumar Shetty, Dr. Kishan Prasad, Dr. Sukanya Shetty, and all the medical students who are assembled here. Good morning. Today we are celebrating 11th International Yoga Day. The significance of Yoga, International Yoga Day is, it is past resolution moved by our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, in the year 2014 in the United Nations General Assembly, that 21st June should be declared as International Yoga Day. 21st June is the longest day of the year in the hemisphere. That's the reason June 21st as selected as International Yoga Day. Accordingly, all over not only in our country, across the world, today is celebrated as International Yoga Day. My greetings all of you. Happy International Yoga Day. The purpose of celebrating International Yoga Day is we have to inform youngsters that why we should practice yoga, what are the benefits. And more youngsters, we have to encourage them to join the fold of yoga. That's required. You know the present youngsters, the situation of the present youngsters, younger generation, students, everybody is very busy, right? Nobody is having time even to talk with their family members. In the house, now I have seen, many houses are having only 1 or 2 members, or the most 3-4 members. Even these 4 members are not talking to each other because they are busy. Now we know in mobile, tech age, most of the youngsters, tech employees are all sitting in front of the mobile, laptops with their work. We do not know what time they are sleeping. 12:30, 1:30, midnight. We don't know what time they are taking their food. We don't know how many hours they are sleeping. This is the situation nowadays because of this stress, what they are having, and improper food habits, improper lifestyle. They are losing their health. You are all budding doctors. Doctors are here. Patients are increasing in the hospitals, in the pharma, for the demanding the medicines. Right? This is the situation. That's the reason the International Yoga Day, we have to explain the benefits of the yoga, practicing the yoga in daily, adopting the yoga as our daily routine. What would be the benefits? We have to explain them. At least we have to encourage them. We have to tell them so that they also can come to the fold of yoga. Let them do the yoga at least for 40 to 45 minutes. The recent, not only scientific researches are taking place since 8 to 9 decades, and the researches shows that by the practice of yoga or by the application of yoga therapy, the stress-related health disorders like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular problems, hyperacidity, asthma, sleeplessness, that's amnesia, and giddiness, all these can be effectively controlled. This is the benefit of yoga. So that's the reason everybody has to imbibe yoga, come to the fold of yoga. That's very much required in the present circumstances. 4, 5 to 6 years children also, they are busy with mobile. Let them also practice yoga for at least 40-45 minutes in a day. It's not big issue, management of time only. The 45 minutes time what you are investing for the yoga, it will give great benefits. You are all doctors, going to be doctors, and you are all having lot of stress. You should not allow this stress and go for that, allow the stress-related disorders to creep in. Now, yoga is ancient Indian science, practiced thousands and thousands years ago. This oldest script of the world, Vedas, is having the reference to the yoga, and in the past, Rishi Munis were practicing yoga. In the Gurukulas, they were teaching yoga along with the education to their shishyas. But there was no systematic procedures. Maharishi Patanjali, who is known as father of yoga, who was in fact a doctor, he is a scholar in Sanskrit grammar and teacher in yoga. He has written a book known as Yoga Sutras. In that 196 terse aphorisms are there. He has given definite shape, definite guidelines how to practice yoga. He says the mind is the main culprit. Mind moves very fast. The speed of the light is 1,86,000 miles per second. Still, sunlight takes few minutes to reach the earth, whereas mind is still faster than the speed of light. Are you audible? I am audible to you or echoing? Am I audible clearly? Yeah, that's the reason he says stress is generating in the mind. We have to control mind. Chitta vritti nirodha, he says. Chitta means mind, vritti means modifications, and nirodha means the stopping the modifications. Mind goes in different directions. It takes different shapes. It may be thinking, sad, unhappiness, all these. So, how to stop this? He says, by Ashtanga Yoga. Ashta means eight stages. They are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Samadhi is the eighth stage, that is the bliss, enlightenment, spiritual way. For us, for our health, first 4 plus Dhyana, meditation, that's enough. Yama Niyama means rules, regulations, code of conduct, ethics. Asana is, there are so many asanas, gives flexibility and strength to the body, health to the body. Pranayama is what you are breathing, that prana, ayama, control of breath. Control of breath, normally we are breathing 15 times per minute. 15 times per minute, 21,600 times per day. Right? Whereas while doing pranayama, some of the pranayamas, only 2 breathing in 1 minute. 2 breathing in 1 minute, like Nadi Shuddhi. Have you done Nadi Shuddhi? No? It's your ordinary yoga classes. This all will take some time for you to learn this Nadi Shuddhi and pranayamas. Breath control is very important, so that pranayama gives lightness to the body. Right? Then how to release our tensions? Required is meditation, dhyana. Dhyana, meditation. That's very, very important. If you sit for meditation, concentrate your mind in some of the points, in the middle of the eyebrow or in the tip of the nose, you will forget all your tensions. Stress level will come down. Mind will be cool and calm, and you feel fresh. All positive thoughts will generate, and you will not feel any type of stress, tensions after that. But you have to, after the yoga asanas completed, Shavasana, relaxing Shavasana is very, very important. Shavasana is relaxing all the parts of the body, toe to head. So once you complete the Shavasana and you get up, you feel fresh, your body as well as your mind. So, healthy mind, healthy body, that is required. Let us see the concept of health. You may be knowing that all. WHO, World Health Organization, according to just absence of disease is not health. It is jubilant feeling of well-being at physical, mental, social and spiritual levels. That is the health. Ayurveda also says same thing. Samadosha samagrischa, samadatu malakriyaha, prasannatmendriya manaha, swasya ityabhidyate anta. Samadosha means balanced. Three doshas are vata, pitta, kapha. Samagrischa means all our digestive organs are functioning effectively. samadhatu. All the body secretions are in equal proportions. Malakriyaha, our excretory organs are functioning effectively. Prasannatma indriya manaha. Prasanna means happy. Soul, mind, as well as sensory organs are functioning with the proper coordination. That is the health, that's the state of health. In short, all the physiological and anatomical factors are balanced. Mind, soul, and sensory organs are functioning with coordinating each other. That is the healthy state. The yoga, it can bring health, it can bring mental peace, it can give flexibility to the body. In the yoga, one more part is there, that is kriyas. Shat kriyas, 6 kriyas are there. They are all cleanses our internal body parts, like our intestine, esophagus, throat, whatever phlegm is accumulated here. Also in the phlegm accumulated in the lungs portion also, it will cleanse up, and also the accumulation of the phlegm in the sinus area also is cleaned up. When it is done, we may not have any cold, cough, throat problem, running nose, etc. When you are not infected with these, our immunity will, body immunity will remain intact. That is very, very important. So, now I have told the benefits of yoga, why we should do yoga. I will tell my personal experience, how I come to the yoga. When I was young, I was working as branch manager in Vijay Bank at Bangalore. At that time, I had developed severe back problem, severe back pain, very badly. Took the medicine from the doctor, and within 8-10 days I was all right. But after 5 to 6 months, it was recurred again, but it was very, very painful. I could not get up. I could not move my legs. I could not move my body at all. It was very, very painful. At that time, my friend has suggested, why can't you go for yoga therapy? It's close by. So with great difficulty, I got up. With support, I walked there. It was around 100-150 meters. It took me around 15 to 20 minutes to walk 100-150 meters to the yoga therapy center. There, he has asked me to do 5 asanas only 5 asanas. After the completion of completing that asanas, I felt 50% my pain is come down. And I practiced it for about within 6-7 days. I was all right. And I have joined for the yoga class. First 3 months junior yoga class, then 6 months senior pranayama, and 1.5 years advanced yoga. This course I have completed at Bangalore. After that, I am regularly practicing yoga every day. Every day. Wherever I go, I carry my yoga, at least yoga mat. I will carry my yoga mat or one rug. Just to spread it, I can do the yoga. I am not missing not single day without yoga practice. Right? I do not have any medicine. No medicines. That is the benefit. So, my suggestion to all of you, you already started practicing yoga since last 1 week. Don't leave it. Take some time. continue the practice, you will find the difference. Lots of advantages, lot of benefits. It will be also, one more part is Omkara. Have you done Omkara in your yoga class? Omkara gives vibrations to our body. Vibrations in the throat, you might have experienced in the ear, in this area, face, and also it vibrates. Vibration goes to our brain cells. Neurons are also being vibrated. Brain cells are activated. The impact will be our memory power will increase. Concentration will increase. Our health problems like insomnia will vanish. It will help to reduce the vertigo problem also. Tension, stress, everything will vanish. So with this, thank you one and all. Before concluding, I thank organizers today's program. Thank you very much for all of you, and I wish all of you good health, happiness, peace of mind, and I wish you bright future in your career, future career. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your words of enlightenment. I now welcome Professor Dr. Rajendra Hulla, Head of Pharmacology Department, SHEMA, to deliver the presidential address.
Very good morning to all the dignitaries on the stage. The deans are here, the vice dean and the coordinators, and mainly the chief guest today, the Shivaram Rai, the yoga practitioner and yoga therapist. Very clearly he emphasized the importance of yoga. I don't want to take much time of viewers. I'm very proud to be a part of this program. Very festive atmosphere. It is very nice to interact with the students, quite inspiring, and even we feel we are young. That's the importance of mixing with the young people. I came to know that from the first few days you are undergoing yoga training. Please don't stop it here. Please continue. It may take you some time, but it is worth it. It's worth it, really. I wish this the program all the success, and I'm extremely thankful to Mr. Shashi, because who invited me for this program. Wish you all well. Please actively involve in this yoga program. Definitely it's going to help you, and thank you so much. I'll stop it here.
Thank you, sir. As a mark of gratitude, we would now like to present token of appreciation for our chief guest. I invite Professor Dr. Jayaprakash Shetty, sir, Dean of Nitte Allied Health Sciences, to present the token of appreciation to Mr. Shivaram Rai. I invite Professor Dr. Sandeep Rai, sir, Dean of SHEMA, to present the token of appreciation to Professor Dr. Rajendra Hulla. Thank you, sir. And now, to conclude this peaceful and purposeful morning, I invite Dr. Kishan Prasad, sir, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Okay. Dignitaries on the dais, and my dear colleagues, and my dear students. This is important event. It is almost we are culminating this yoga program in the International Day of Yoga. There are many people help in conducting this, organizing this program. We are thought of calling various dignitaries, eminent persons, so that it can inspire you to conduct the program, this yoga program. Supposedly today we are supposed to have 250 students of MBBS and around 30 students of imaging technology. That means around 280 students. by our effort of conducting this, organizing this Yoga Day program, at least 10% of you, if you follow or continue this yoga program, as Chief Guest said, it is very beneficial and it is very useful, and it is very important stress buster. Okay, and even various studies have also proven that if you do follow this yoga regularly, it is helping us to control the obesity, hypertension and diabetes. So by this conducting this type of events, it should motivate you to continue the Yoga Day program. We are not insisting you to conduct at 1 day, 1 hour or any other. It is whenever the time is there, so you are supposed to conduct this program, yoga in a daily practice. So we have conducted this International Day of Yoga program. We thought of calling the eminent persons. We are having Dr. Shivaram Rai sir. He has given us the insight about the yoga and its benefits. Sir, thank you very much for gracing this occasion. Definitely our students, they will imbibe your words of wisdom. We are having Dr. Rajendra Holla sir. He is a professor and head Department of Pharmacology. Thank you sir for gracing this occasion. We are having Dr. Sandeep Rai sir. He is a pediatric surgeon by profession, and most of the things he is a role model for many of us, many of you also in between. Thank you sir for your all help and gracing this occasion. We are having Dr. Jayaprakash Shetty sir. He was dean when you took the admission, and now he is heading the institution, Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences. Thank you sir for gracing this occasion and all your support. We are having Dr. Sukanya madam. She doesn't want any introduction. More claps. We are having Dr. Shashikumar Shetty sir. He is a NSS coordinator. Thank you Shashi for organizing this event. We have closely collaborated with NSS this time to conduct this program more eventful. I am also identifying physical director. Thank you sir. Thank you sir for providing this venue. Even though it was committed for some other program, but you took a little partial to our Kshema. Thank you sir. And also I am identifying the rapporteurs and yoga facilitators. It is not their prime job, but they took interest above and their routine work, and they helped us in conducting this yoga program. Thank you all the facilitators, all the instructors, all the rapporteurs for specific assistance in conducting this Yoga Day program, very useful. And I'm also identifying photographers, thank you, and non-teaching faculties who are directly or indirectly assisting us in conducting this yoga program. My dear students, as I said, at least try to use your around little bit time for activity of yoga. It will be a very good stress buster. So thank you one and all. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. As we conclude, I encourage each one of you to carry forward the essence of yoga in your daily life, not just as a practice, but as a way of being. Thank you for joining us. Wishing you peace, health, mindfulness every day. I now hand over the mic to Dr. Anusha Rashmi ma'am to take forward with today's yoga demonstration.
I request all of you to sit in a cross-leg posture, eyes closed. Bring a Namaskara Mudra in front of your chest. Namaskara Mudra in front of your chest. We shall start with an invocation that asks for blessings for everybody. Those who know the prayer, you can recite. alongside by me. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinamadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub your palms against each other. Give that warmth to your eyes. Slowly stand up from the seated posture. We shall do quick warm-ups before we move on to doing the Surya Namaskar. From head to toe, we start with the neck. Flexion and extension of the neck. As you inhale, take your neck back. As you exhale, flex your neck. 3 counts. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Now sideward movement. Look to your right first, then to your left. Right, left, right, left. Your neck, 3 counts clockwise. Three counts of anti-clockwise. Once that is done, now take your palms in front of you. Inhale, exhale, take your palms in front. Inhale towards your shoulders. Exhale forward. Inhale towards your shoulders. Exhale forward. Inhale towards your shoulders. Now place your palm right there and do a shoulder rotation clockwise 3 rounds. 3 anti-clockwise 3 rounds. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now place your hands in front of you with palms facing each other. Turn to your right, spine twist. Twist at your spine. And then a left twist. Do 2 more rounds of the same. Last round, right, left. Now take your palms in front of you. Place it on your hips and do a hip rotation clockwise 3 rounds, anti-clockwise 3 rounds. Anti-clockwise 3 rounds. Once that is done, now flex your hip, take your hands in front of you, place your palms in front of you, and as far as possible try to reach your palm as much as is possible by you. Yes, I shall give the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take your hands to the knees. Bring your legs together. Do a knee rotation clockwise 3 rounds. Anti-clockwise 3 rounds. Once that, stand straight in Tadasana. Place your hands on your hips. Take your right leg in front straight without bending at the knee. Flex and extend your ankle. 3 rounds. Then once that is done, rotate your ankle clockwise, anti-clockwise 3 rounds. Take your right leg back, take your left leg in front, flex and extend your ankle 3 times. Rotate clockwise, direction 3 rounds, anti-clockwise 3 rounds. Yes. With this, we now start with Surya Namaskar. It is ideal that you face that side. If you can just change your, or if you can stand in that same posture, turn yourself facing to my left. Yes. Surya Namaskar, come to the edge of your mat. You can place your mat horizontally if you want. You can place your mat horizontally if you want. Straight, spine straight. Get your hands together in Namaskara Mudra in front of your chest. Inhale, Uttanasana. Bend backwards. Exhale, Padahastasana. Touch your palms. Try to touch the floor. Yes. Take your right leg back. Right leg back. Look forward. Left leg back. Look straight. Place yourself in that posture. Stand there. Now go to Shashankasana. Bend your knees. Hips onto your ankles. Yes. Stretch out. Now go to Ashtanga. All your parts, important body parts, raising your hips above the floor. Look straight ahead. From there, go to Bhujangasana. Inhale. Breathe normally. Exhale and come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. From there, now bring your right leg forward. Left leg forward. Inhale, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. One more round. One more round of Surya Namaskar. Namaskara Sthiti. Inhale, Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Take your left leg back. Right leg back. Stay there in that posture. Go to Shashankasana, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Adho Mukha. Bring your left leg in front, right leg in front. Inhale, go to Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Yes. Uttanasana, inhale, exhale, Padahastasana, inhale, take your right leg back, breathe there, inhale, take your left leg back, breathe there, go to Shashankasana, come to Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Adho Mukha, bring your right leg in front, left leg in front. Inhale, come to Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Again from there, Uttanasana, inhale, bend backwards, exhale, Padahastasana. Take your left leg back, take your right leg back, stay there, go to Shashankasana, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Adho Mukha. Bring your left leg in front, right leg in front. Take your hands up in Uttanasana. Bring your hands together, Namaskara Sthiti. Yes. Now, you can place your mat vertically facing the stage. Asanas. Place your hands on your hips with palms either facing in front or palms giving support to your shoulder. Place your legs as is comfortable by you, where you find your balance, and bend backwards. As you inhale, bend backwards. This is Ardha Chakrasana. Bend backwards, stay there until I instruct you, stay there. Breathe normally. Do not stop breathing at any point. Slowly exhale. Stand straight. Place your hands by the sides. Now the complementary. Take both your hands up. Inhale. Both hands up. Exhale. Padahastasana. And stay there in that posture for some time. Exhale. Padahastasana. Stay there, everybody stay there until I tell you. Breathe normally in that posture to Tadasana Sthiti. Now you can lie down supine on your back. Legs apart. Place your legs apart. Relax yourself. Command your body to relax. We shall now relax from your feet towards your head. Tell yourself, I relax my toes. I relax my ankle. I relax my calf. I relax my knees. I relax my thighs. I relax my hips. I relax my abdomen. I relax my chest. I relax my wrist. I relax my forearms. I relax my elbow. I relax my shoulders. I relax my neck. I relax my entire back, the back of my neck. I relax my forehead. I relax my eyes. Feel for yourself, your breathing is slowing down. Slowly bring your legs together, wriggle your legs a little so that you come back to focus. Wriggle your hands. Place your legs together. Now we shall do the postures in supine position, Setu Bandhasana and Pavana Muktasana. So you can look at the screen and do, those who are new today. Others know it. All the students have come for sessions. Now, Setu Bandhasana. Bend both your legs at your knees. Try to touch your hands to your knees. If it is possible, to your ankles, ankles. Setu Bandhasana, bridge posture. Yes. Now from there, lift your hips up. Inhale, lift your lips up. Stay there in that posture. Breathe normally. Do not stop breathing at any point. Stay there, stay there. Stay there. Very slowly bring your hips down. Straighten your legs. Straighten your legs. Hands together by the sides. Now we go to Pavana Muktasana. Bend your legs at your knees. Now bend your hips. Take your knees towards your chest. Engulf your legs with your hands. Try to lift your head so that it touches your knees. Stay there in that sthiti. Breathe normally. Breathe in this posture. Do not hold your breath. Breathe. Slowly relax. Slowly relax. Inhale, relax. Place your legs straight. Place your legs in Shavasana Sthiti. Legs apart, hands apart. Now we shall move on to doing the prone posture. So lie down on your, turn to your right and lie down on your stomach, abdomen. In Makarasana Sthiti, where you take your legs apart, heels facing each other, elbows flexed. Either your chin or your forehead touching, placing it on your palms. Relax yourself in that posture. Here we shall do two postures, yogasanas, which is Bhujangasana and Shalabhasana. So first Bhujangasana, bring your legs together. Take your hands by the side of your chest. Flex at your elbows. Flex at your elbows. Take your hands, place your palms across your chest. Yes. From here, breathe normally. Once you finish the exhalation, when you breathe, as you inhale, come up to Bhujangasana Sthiti. And stay there. You need to be lifting up from your core muscles, not from your hands. So as much as is possible by you, lift yourselves up. Stay there, breathe normally, breathe normally. Once done, relax yourselves again in Makarasana Sthiti. Place your legs apart. Relax in Makarasana Sthiti, heels facing each other. Now bring your legs together. Next is Shalabhasana or the locust posture. Legs together, hands together by the side of your thighs. You may make a fist in your palms or you may place your thighs. Place your hands underneath your thighs so that you support your thighs in this posture. Legs together. First, inhale and lift your right leg up straight without bending at your knees. Stay there for some time. Take it down slowly. Now lift your left leg up in the same manner without bending at your knees. Take them down, relax. Now you shall do the Shalabhasana, which is taking both your legs up. Finish. Yes, take both your legs up. Stay there in that posture. Do not bend at your knees as much as is possible by you. You need to lift your hips. Hips, knees, ankles, all extended. Stay there in that sthiti. Breathe normally. Slowly come down, back to Makarasana Sthiti. Back to Makarasana, legs apart, heels facing each other. Now slowly come out from this posture. On your elbows, on your knees, come to the sitting posture. Face the screen. Shitila Dandasana, sit in relaxing sitting posture. Place your legs in front of you, legs apart, palms behind your hips, neck stretched out. Relax and breathe. Now we shall do one posture in this position. Bring yourself to Dandasana Sthiti. Bring your hands by the side of your hips, spine straight, legs together. Breathe normally in that posture. And once you finish the exhalation, inhale, take your hands up. And bend at your hips as you exhale. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Hold the posture as much as you can bend. It can reach your knees, it can reach your ankles, it can reach your feet. The aim is to reach your feet. Stay there. Breathe normally. Do not stop breathing. Once done, relax again in Shitila Dandasana. Relax. Spread your legs out. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. Come to a cross leg posture. Cross leg posture. Can close your eyes now. We shall be doing pranayama. Everybody close your eyes. Get your focus inwards into yourself. Now the first pranayama that we will do is Suryanuloma Viloma Pranayama for 5 counts. For this, take your right hand in Nasika Mudra, flex both your forefinger and the middle finger. Take your ring finger and little finger straight. Keep your thumbs apart. Now, Suryanuloma Viloma is a right nostril breathing. So close your left nostril with your ring finger and little finger. Inhale and exhale only through your right nostril. Inhale and exhale. Inhale for 5 counts, exhale for 8 counts without stopping between inhalation and exhalation. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take back your hands, keep it in Chin Mudra, where both your forefinger and the thumb are touching each other, both the hands in Chin Mudra. Get your focus, close your eyes. Now we shall do the left nostril breathing, which is Chandranuloma Viloma Pranayama. Get your right hand in Nasika Mudra again. This time you shall close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale and exhale only through the left nostril based on the counts, more than the Suryanuloma Viloma. As I keep the counts, you shall breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale the 5 counts. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close your eyes. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last round. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we shall do Akara, Ukara and Makara. All these holding Chin Mudra in your hands. Hold the Chin Mudra, both your forefinger and thumb touching each other. Hands in front of you, across the straight, or you can place it on your thighs. Keep your spine straight. What you shall do is inhale, and as you exhale, you shall say the Akara first 3 times, as long as possible by you. So inhale, as you exhale. As you exhale, Akara. Inhale. As you exhale, Akara. Next is Ukara. The same way, inhale, as you exhale, make a sound, oo. Okay, so inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, Now next is Makara, Ma. Same thing, inhale, as you exhale, make a sound from the pit of your throat. Inhale, make a sound and exhale. Inhale. Exhale by yourself. Then keep your palms facing open on your thighs. Keep your spine straight. Keep your eyes closed. Do not open your eyes. Make a sankalpa or a positive affirmation for yourself and everybody around you, the entire universe. Make a positive affirmation, whatever you want. Bring your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes, bring your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Those who know can recite. We now pray for the entire world around us, not just ourselves. Sarve bhavantu sukinaha. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your eyes closed. Stay there with that posture. Slowly rub your hands against each other. Do not open your eyes until I instruct you to. Bring a warmth, feel the energy between your palms, give that energy to your eyes. Rub your palms against each other, give that energy to your forehead, entire face, ears, your lobule. Rub your hands against each other, give that energy to your neck. Rub your hands against each other, give that energy to your shoulders, your entire upper arm, lower arm, forearm. Rub your hands against each other, give that energy warm to your legs, knees, ankles, toes. You can open your eyes and bow down to Mother Earth, thanking her for this day.